Originally when we made the first prototype, we actually really had no idea what it could do. The goal was to make a pen that had no glue, compression fittings, or even threads. The first goal obviously being pen and its function mainly, and also its aesthetics. A pen made completely out of magnets. It was only after playing around with it for a while that we realized it could do all these really interesting things. Every day we're finding new things that it can do and ways it can be used. And we're really excited to see what other people are going to create with this very unique yet simple product. We're really excited about this product, and I hope you are too. If this project interested you, please help fund the first production run of Polar. Once the funding goal has been reached, production will start right away. Our target is to have product shipping for the end of November, ready at your house in good time for the holiday season. Thanks for checking out our project. We really appreciate your support. Whoa. Hey! Did it work? Yeah, it worked good.
Every once in a while, a revolutionary product comes along that changes everything. I'd like you to meet the Bublcam. It all started 5 years ago when I was working for a company called Immersive Media. At that time, they were working with Google to create what is now known as Street View. A problem in the market that I saw was that spherical technology was only being used for mapping. We could probably use it for some other things like panoramic photos and filmmaking and interactive videos. We decided upon ourselves to make something special. The Bublcam doesn't just capture photos and videos, but it also streams live video. We wanted to make this technology affordable, small so it's portable, and available to everyone.
People are accustomed to shooting panoramas with their mobile phones. There's a problem with that. It's inherently out of sync. With the Bublcam, you press the button once and boom, you've got your photos, your video, and you pop it in our software. You can look all around. It's amazing.
We've designed the camera in a tetrahedral orientation to ensure there are no blind spots because each camera overlaps the adjoining camera. No other camera that we've seen on the market is able to handle that, as well as put it in a form factor that's the size of a baseball, that's light, portable, and easy to bring around with you in any environment that you want to record.
With Bubble's patent-pending tetrahedral design, you'll get 14 megapixel photos, H.264 video capturing 1080p at 15 frames per second, and 720p at 30 frames per second, Wi-Fi live streaming, a micro SD slot, and USB streaming.
I really think people are going to want to buy the Bubble camera just because of its ability to shoot in many different directions. The fact is, it takes in all views in real time, whether it be security and surveillance, action sports, gaming, real estates, teleconferencing. I really do think the opportunities are endless.
With Bubble's SDK and API, our goal is to allow people to experiment and explore with this new technology. We've seen it used in music videos before with the Black Eyed Peas, Beck. We've seen it commercially used for IKEA and Budweiser. One of the most exciting things that I'm looking forward to is seeing how filmmakers are going to be using 360 video. It's a whole new way to shoot things and create interactive experiences and a new way of telling stories.
Body Mind Change is a co-production between TIFF and the CFC Media Lab. We can start to figure out what we can do with it, and I'm really excited about the installation work, the video work, the interactive work that you can do with technology like this.
We've designed the Bublcam to be ready and available to everyone. You're gonna have to make a choice. Sometimes you want that straight-on shot, that one angle, but there are gonna be moments when you wanna see everything. With your help, we're gonna make 360 degrees of your world available at any time.
As urban cyclists, we wanted to deal with the biggest problems of biking in cities, namely navigation and security. There are a couple of accessories that try to solve these issues, but there hasn't been any complete solution. Introducing SmartHalo. SmartHalo isn't just another bike accessory. In fact, it's not meant to be removed after each ride. It installs permanently on your handlebar and pairs with your smartphone to turn your bike into a smart bike and provide a biking experience like no other.
SmartHalo's design philosophy has always been centered on simplicity. Biking in cities can be a challenge, so we've made sure our device was simple yet smart. How? By reducing its interface to its simplest possible form, a circle. This luminous halo allows us to communicate an impressive amount of information. SmartHalo finds the quickest, safest routes and bike paths for you to make your ride a stress-free experience. Just input the destination in our app, tuck your phone safely in your pocket, and let SmartHalo take care of the rest. Our unique circular interface allows us to show every type of turn the city can offer. Also, our light patterns warn you in advance of an incoming turn, so you get plenty of time to plan your next move. As soon as you start riding, SmartHalo tracks your bike metrics. Your time, distance, average speed, the calories you've burned, as well as your total elevation. Unlike regular fitness apps, you don't need to press start or stop. It does it all seamlessly. You don't even need to take your phone out of your pocket. SmartHalo is also equipped with a smart nightlight. It turns on automatically when it's dark and shuts off on its own when you're done riding. With the personal assistant feature, SmartHalo will notify you of incoming calls or text messages right on your handlebar.
All of this intelligence wouldn't be possible without having SmartHalo living permanently on the handlebar. The design goal of SmartHalo was to build a simple and integrated interface that would fit any bicycle and under any condition. It's built to resist the worst that Mother Nature can throw at it, be it rain, dirt, or snow. SmartHalo was also built to resist your bike's worst enemy, bike thieves. Assembled with a unique tamper-proof system, SmartHalo can only be unlocked with a special key provided with the product. But we went further than this. SmartHalo is also an integrated alarm system. When activated, anyone trying to steal your sweet ride will hear the angry roar of SmartHalo.
SmartHalo has been designed to be beautiful inside and out. There is no on-off button on SmartHalo. Its sophisticated sensors detect your presence. It only turns on when you are riding. When you're done, it shuts down by itself. All this leads to amazing battery life to keep going as long as you do. Under normal usage, SmartHalo will last around 3 weeks.
It's become obvious we need greener transportation methods. If bikes are to be legitimized, they need to be connected and smart and elegant. With SmartHalo, there's balance between sophistication and simplicity. You'll agree when you turn your bike into a smart bike.